Ubah Preston Tensong Ulong baka wat baar jong kejing Kynhun uput Assam hapdeng gamai galaya baka Assam halur Kynhun tuli jaka berang saateng keberan kejing kaja. Kan Sdang biang hadian beladep kejing Pynheh ya ke Kynhun Myntri ke Sarkar Jela Assam. Ula penting kena bau Myntri rang ba ke Jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ula kut jengmut ban beteng biang ya kena gakam. Ndai ula panpor ban pendap syua ya kejing Pynheh ya ke Kynhun Myntri jong
See, if you talk about the regional committees, as far as the issue of the pending differences that we have between Meghalaya and Assam, now we are waiting for the, again, because as you all know, that the constitution of the cabinet, expansion of the cabinet is being awaited. And even the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, he has already expressed his willingness to again continue this the talk, the inspection of both the regional parties. But he requested us, please wait till the expansion of the ministry is completed, so that the ministers' consent, which is going to be entrusted, will also be there in that regional committees, including the CM of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and as well as senior officials from the government of Assam. And from our side, delegation is led by our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Sngawbahalang Dhar. And in the meeting yesterday, they have fully agreed, both sides, and that also in presence of both the headmen from Meghalaya as well as from Karbi Anglong side. And the agreement is very clear. They wanted to make sure from now on, they wanted to make sure that the cultivation activities does not at all get stalled at any point of time. That is the decision they taken yesterday, and even both the authorities from the state government and as well as district council authorities has also assured that they will make sure that the livelihood activities which is being done and which is going to be done by both the villages of the two states has to be at any cost preserved, and cordial and healthy atmosphere has to be prevailed over there, not only for 1 week or not only for 1 month, but time and again henceforth.